Hello all. Today we'll discuss about the AWS. AWS nowadays if we'll talk about the cloud concept, cloud technology, so there is a good demand in the industry. In fact, in India as well as the abroad too. So here we have three kinds of the certification. First is the fundamental level of the knowledge as well as the certification. You can go with the associate level and then after professional level. So there are three levels, and if you want to make your career in security, in fact in security there are some certification in big data, advanced networking, AWS security itself, and machine learning, Alexa skill builder. Also you can plan your career accordingly. You can start AWS, and which is provided by Amazon. So if you want to see this website in a more detail, you can choose this website. You can use this website, and this is the exact URL link. And we have all the courses like cloud practitioner, like developer, like administrator, then associate, professional, specialist, and all level of the training as well as the certification. So after that, you can plan for your job in Kolkata, in Delhi, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, and other part of the country too. So this is one of the very famous course in the industry, in a banking sector, in a IT sector, in MNC, and some other company. So you should plan accordingly for your best career. Thank you and all the best.